Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a trading tutorial using our Auto Harmonic Pattern indicator. This is on the TradingView version. We've got on lots of other platforms, and you can check out that link in the description. But this is scalping. Somebody asked recently, can we use the Harmonics, which is part of the day trading bundle, can we use it on the 1 minute? And of course you can. When those patterns occur, this one's a crab pattern on the 1 minute on platinum. When they occur and the D pivot completes in the automated completion zone, the resulting trade is high probability. But the problem is, where do you enter? For scalping, you've got to be very aggressive. So in this, if you're viewing this video on our website, this is part of a blog post, and you'll see below this video some screenshots on a Discord group while I was trading this live to help our users understand and learn using this indicator suite. So you'll see the entries, you'll see my commentaries on platinum being quite a gappy gappy futures contract, especially during the European morning, and how to enter it. I think I got 5 tick slippage on the entry for the long. Ended up taking profit on this this resistance zone here, which I'd already identified. So I'm going to go through the setup on this video, why those support and resistance zones are there, and then obviously you can read down further on how I manage that live in our Discord group. The link for the Discord group will also be in the description. It's free, even if you're not a user of our indicator suites. What I do in there, and our users get involved, and they whether it's options trading, futures trading, that sort of thing, they put in there how they're using the indicators, any the support is there from me and the guys to help you learn and get the most out of these indicators. So again, it's an automatic a harmonic pattern, so it recognizes the crap pattern. It completed in this automated completion zone there. So the automated completion zone is a combination of fib extensions and fib retracements that are taken during this first ABC correction of this crab pattern. So it gives you that high probability area where the D pivot should complete. It doesn't always, and we don't trade those. The entry strategy for me really is I'm using the new manager, this special bias cloud, if you like. I've got it on aggressive setting because I'm on the 1 minute. Okay, so you'll see here on the manager, if I click on that, you see we've got day trading aggressive as the option there. So what we're looking for to help us now, the manager is to help manage the trades. Especially if we're looking for runners on the 3, the 5 minute, even swing trading. But one of the things that we look for me is I help it look to get in these scalps using the harmonics. Sorry about that, real life, got to let somebody in the gate. We've got that entry, we've got aggressive when this cloud changes from red to green. Okay, we've got our entry just above those, and those screenshots for that Discord group discussing that, and the images of the charts are on there. One of the things I want to really talk about is these two sort of resistance zones up here that I took. So if we're scalping off the 1 minute, only go up to the 5 minutes, okay, or the 10 minute. So I went to the 10 minute here, and I looked left. What's been happening? Okay, so recently we had a test at these highs, okay, and then we had another little pivot here, so that sort of solidified a bit of a short-term resistance zone, and then just in case it pushed up and powered through this one, we've got this big range, sort of big resistance zone there as well. Bottom of the zone is this pivot here. You could have gone a little lower, but the top of the zone really keeps just being tested by these pivots. So that's how I identified those support and resistance zones. So when then they're transferred onto your 1 minute that you're trading, you can see this move, $110, right at the resistance there. And again, gappy, you'd just close out market, just flatten that trade when you are day trading. Again, if you were following this manager to the T, the cloud has turned red now, you would take your profit. You probably would have made around about $90 profit instead of 110. But again, what that manager does is gives you that opportunity just to wait and see if it pushes through. But for me, when I'm scalping on the 1 minute, the manager really is to help me identify some aggressive entries using the cloud. And I can see when we moved up through on this grey candle was an up candle but lower volume, but this candle was higher than average volume because it had the cyan. It was a green candle, so it's an accumulation. There was more buyers than the previous candle there, so that was the sign here to go. And obviously I got my entry. You can see it on those chart images and the screenshots from the Discord group on below. But again, you see the clouds turn red now, so there's no trade. So hopefully this helps, and those comments that I made on and those screenshots will help you understand how what I'm trying to do is not just sell a bit of software. What I'm trying to do through the Discord group is help our traders to use them and get the most out of them. So this was the Auto Harmonic Pattern for TradingView. It's available for a lot of others. You can either buy it singly or it's in the day trading bundle. The manager is totally separate. It's brand new, but it's a really great tool to help you get in those aggressive trades, but more importantly across all time frames to help you manage those trades to get and maximize those profits consistently.